Magnet piston engine is real or fake? Recently, some creators have been posting videos claiming that the magnet piston engine is real. In this video, I'll make the device from precisely processed parts in the CNC machine and show you exactly why it's not real. If you look closely at this model, you can't see any repulsive force between the magnets when this guy turns the flywheel with his hand. The ferrite magnets shown in the video are very weak compared to neodymium magnets. However, to achieve optimal repulsion, the two magnets must be able to get close to each other, but these models do not. Therefore, we find that they are being driven using hidden forces from the outside. We're going to test 3 modes in this video, so please stay tuned until the end. This is a model I designed, and I used 3 N52 magnets and 4 slide bearings to cause 2 moving magnets to repel each other in the center. Of course, in order to obtain maximum repulsive force, the approach distance from the 2 magnets was minimized. Hello, friends! Creating this video took a lot of time, passion, and investment. Your support is very important. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your watching. To help you understand, I put 3 magnets in the same position as the magnets in the device on the right side of the screen. You can see that the distance is quite close when 2 magnets meet each other. Great! Let's put the parts together. I installed 2 large bearings for the main axle and 4 slide bearings and 4 small bearings for 2 pistons. Therefore, these bearings minimize friction. If you look at this video, you can see that the repulsive force between the magnets is working strongly. Now, I've put all the parts together except flywheel. Let me test the repulsion. It's very strong and good. I will put the flywheel Only 33% of viewers watch my video until the end. Please watch it longer or until the end. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. However, this is normal, because in this device, the N52 magnet piston can store energy, but they don't create new energy. This is a center and corner magnet repulsion model. I used 5 N52 magnets and 4 slide bearings to have 2 moving pistons repel each other from the center and corner. In this case, the repulsive force is doubled compared to the center repulsive. All magnet polarity orientation tests are correct. This model has strong repulsion, but it doesn't work either. This is a corner magnet repulsion model. I used 4 N52 magnets and 4 slide bearings to have 2 moving magnets repel each other from the corner. This model has magnets on the top and bottom, so it has less repulsion than the previous model. We set it up in 3 modes and tested it, but again, this device doesn't really work. Here's the bottom line. Just as the spring piston engine was a fake, this magnetic piston engine model is just a device that tricks the viewer. It can't be real. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.